Sexy boys, sexy girls, Jeremy Fragrance here. Before you buy Allure Homme Extrême by Chanel, 5 things you should know. It's a natural fragrance. Nowadays, it's not easy to have natural ingredients in your fragrances. This consists of 3 main things. Mint, a nice, sexy, masculine mint. You got masculine pepper, pepper like seduction and CEO. And you got the very sweet, sexy tonka bean, which smells like vanilla. So it's a natural fragrance, just like we expect from Chanel. Second thing you should know, it is on the pricey side, and the price-value proposition is not the best. Let me tell you why. The performance of this, I tell that in the 3rd point, is not the greatest. And for what you get in exchange for what you pay, it's not the greatest. So you do have to know, yes, it is natural. Yes, it is a Chanel, but you can get cheap fragrances for less than half of the money that perform better and get you equal amount of compliments. So price-value proposition is not the best. 3rd thing you should know, performance is just average. So this is Eau Extrême, and this used to be, I think, an eau de parfum concentration, or something that was written different here. If you look around on the internet, this used to be different right here, what was standing here. Now it says it's an eau de toilette concentré. I think it used to be an eau de parfum. All right, so the performance of this is not the greatest. Keep that in mind. It is, to me, just an okay performing fragrance, and that's it. 4th thing you should know, compliment beast within the 1st hour. Okay, so actually I'm going to wear this right now. 4th thing you should know, it's a compliment beast within the 1st hour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I love this, man. So now I got 1 hour, like a sprinter, to get my compliments for this. Hey man, I have received compliments for this really solidly. She told me, a waitress told me, I'm the best smelling guy of the day. I got compliments. I didn't wear this for a long time, but this used to be a magnificent compliment getter, in particular when I freshly applied it. It's now, when you walk around, it's gorgeous. Also check out my original review right here. You will love it, guys. It's a beast. But because the performance, as I told you, is not the greatest, you can mostly expect to get your compliments within the 1st hour. So keep that in mind. 5th and last thing, I'm going to tell you, it is the best Chanel Allure. So, for men. So, it's not the best Chanel. To me, Bleu de Chanel Eau de Toilette would be the best one for men currently. But from the lineup of the Allure line, it is the best. Because all of them don't perform that good. Besides the Edition Blanche, which surprisingly is good in performance. But I won't forget the woman that told me it smells like a toilet cleaner because it's very citrusy. To me, this is the best when you want compliments and a sexy masculine smell. And that's what most of you guys are looking for. So it's the best Chanel Allure. So in conclusion, the price-value proposition is not the greatest. The performance is not the greatest. It gets massive amounts of compliments within the 1st hour after application. It is the best Allure, Sport Allure from the Chanel line. And 5th and last thing, I don't remember what was in my top 5, but I'm going to shout it out. There are better alternatives to this. Chanel fans will tell me now, you are stupid for saying that, but I'm going to tell you an alternative. Perry Ellis 360 Red is a great alternative to this. because it also doesn't perform so good, but it also is a beast of a compliment getter within the first hour, and it costs about $20 and not $90. That's less than 50% less that you're paying for this one. So that was what I love it. Don't forget to watch my video that I mentioned to you, and I wish you a great day. It was 5 things before you should buy the Allure Sport Extreme by Chanel.